Well, Rodrigo, should we tell him the news? That's right, my friends and colleagues. It's Mike, and we at Mike Hem Seminars are excited to announce a brand new educational content fellowship. This is 6 months long, stipended, and focused on your professional growth and education in the world of physical medicine and embodied practice. And the core of this fellowship is helping to create educational experiences from raw teaching video. So it's a rare blend of technical learning capacity, and it's in line with our greater mission as an educational project, which is to take curious, confident practitioners and empower them with embodied wisdom and evidence-based practice. So it's an exciting time for us, for me and Rodrigo at least, and we hope that you take a look at this fellowship description, share this widely with whomever might be interested, and be in touch if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.